Not far from the rolling hills of western Pennsylvania is the sleepy community of Newcastle. 23,000 call it home. Don't let that number or the look of Everytown, USA confuse you. This place is on the map for two big reasons. It's the hot dog capital of the world. And while Coney Island is as legit as it gets in the hot dog game, just trust this guy. It's not why we're here.
Newcastle is the fireworks capital of America.
Zambelli, the company behind the blast-off to the Kentucky Derby Festival.
Thunder over Louisville is like the Super Bowl, World Series, Masters, everything just rolled into one.
Is headquartered here, the largest firework display in North America.
It is a great deal of work for 26 minutes of fireworks.
That dazzles thousands upon thousands.
Fireworks seem to bring a lot of joy and happiness to a lot of different people. This is a barge layout.
Starts.
They attach them to 1 through 30.
In Michael Richards' far less flashy office in January.
Our entire operation shifts over to Thunder mode.
Richards puts in 12-hour days for weeks behind this computer, using software that allows him to program each bang, each ooh, each ah to a soundtrack.
We just pick and choose the fireworks that we would like to see at any particular time.
Every explosion very carefully thought out.
It's very accurate, it's very efficient.
Timing can go down to a 100th of a second. That's where Thunder over Louisville is put to music, paper, and computer. Behind these chain link fences and barbed wire is where it physically happens. A fortress of fireworks.
There's a huge staff here in Newcastle that are involved in preparing for Thunder over Louisville.
They meet often about Thunder.
We should be ready to load the shells on the trailers.
But work on the show much more. By the time we watch it, nearly 30 people have had their hands on Thunder.
It's a complicated process, but it's pretty simplistic when you come down to it.
Each person has their role. These Zambelli employees are working on assembly. They carefully bag and pack each firework into a box that has a number sharpied on the outside. That number corresponds with Richard's carefully crafted list and tells anyone and everyone exactly where it goes and when it will be shot off.
It's a matter of numbers.
Meanwhile,
I'm the layout guy.
Pre-layout, wiring work, and sequencing
At these beams, I have to make sure they're angled towards Indiana.
are being completed using those same numbers.
If I don't do this right, then the bridge won't look right.
Most of Zambelli's product is shipped in from China, but they also make some smaller scale fireworks of their own. They even let me give it a try.
Now we're ready to blow it up, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, there's some of that happening here too.
We test different color combinations, different formations of the mortar tubes to create different effects.
Testing can take up to a year. This isn't Bush League. Zambelli has earned a reputation, and while that doesn't mean it comes without concerns,
In this chair, you always worry.
Oh, it's just a relief that it's all gone.
it does come with the expectation that you're going to see one heck of a show that the employees here have a lot of pride in.
Proud of our company, proud of all of us.